So today we're at Liverpool Castle, which is in Rivington. This castle is actually a replica of the original castle that used to be based in Derby Square in Liverpool, right at the bottom of Castle Street, opposite the Moat House. And if you don't know where that is, it's where the Queen Victoria statue currently is in Liverpool. So we're here today to check out this replica castle that was built in 1921. I'll cross-check that. I'll put in the description if it's incorrect. This castle was built by a local lord that was inspired by the castle in Liverpool, who wanted a scaled version of it right here in Rivington, right opposite the reservoir. Right, so I'm going to show you some shots around the castle right now. There's a lot of people coming and going, so I'll use a lot of B-roll in this video to explain more about the castle. Yeah, so the original castle was heavily damaged in Liverpool between Charles I and Oliver Cromwell. Then the original brickwork was used to repurpose the dock wall for the Liverpool docks and the shipping industries. The original dock wall now is not there anymore. That's actually underneath John Lewis and is held quite back in comparison to where the dock wall is right now on the River Mersey. The original River Mersey was a lot wider than what it was back then. So this is the main banquet hall here at Liverpool Castle, replica. You can see there would be a large table right here where food would have been served. But in comparison to most castles that have survived, this is a replica, but the work here is still very solid. So this section here is a replica of the Great Tower. As you can see, there would be a large window here. This also was purposed as a kitchen in the original Liverpool Castle. It also had a bakehouse in the kitchen as well, so this would have been an area where a lot of people would have worked. So what I just walked through then was the gatehouse, which would have had the portcullis and the main gates at the front of the castle. So I'm just on the outskirts of it now, checking it out around here. So just down here goes towards the reservoir, so we're not going down this section today, but we'll head towards the reservoir further up. So what I just learned is United Utilities own the lease on this area of land and the castle, which is quite interesting actually for a water company to be maintaining such a piece. But we're going to head into Rivington town now and check the area out. So I just came down the opposite side of the castle now, so you can see the reservoir just over here. But like I just said in the last clip, we're going to head back into Rivington town now, which I haven't been before. I am well aware of Rivington Brewery though, because I do like my beer, so we're going to go back and check out the town. But the woodland here is really cool. It's not as old as Puzzlewood in the last week's video, but this castle is really cool. It's a replica too, so it's not even like, it's not even that old. But let's take a detour through the woods and let's get the hell out of Compton.